Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the DAX futures for Tuesday, October 31. For the record, today is Monday, October 30. Time is around 6:20 p.m. GMT. So in the higher time frame, nothing has changed, I believe. If you want to have more details on the higher time frame, please have a look at my higher time frame analysis from this weekend. For now, I would like to really focus here on this lower time frame here on the 1 hour chart, because we are acting very corrective, and this means quite some possibilities. So I prefer now to go through some scenarios on the 1 hour time frame instead of repeating the higher time frame analysis. So I told you that we were expecting here a fifth wave down to finish this wave 5 of 5, which would then be the end of wave A. And from here, we could then see upside as wave B. That was one possibility. I also showed another possibility, but in the meantime, I changed the scenario. The other possibility was also a wave A here, then a wave B into this area, and then a wave C down. This can still play out, but what draws my attention for the moment is this structure right here. If we would have this fifth wave down, for the moment, this does not really look like the start of a fifth wave down. And so what I would like to do, or what I see in this, is a potential trap. We could be doing an expanded flat structure here. So remember, in one of my previous videos, I was expecting this to be an impulse. In the end, I was kind of forced to make it 3 waves and to call for a wave 4 here, as we took out this low. But we do not really see more downside right now. And so what might be playing out here is an expanded flat structure. That would mean that we have some kind of low right here, be it a wave 3 low, here indicated in green, or be it an wave W low. Then here we have, instead of an impulse, we just have 3 waves, A, B, C. So like this here, actually. And that here, then we could be working here on this wave X, but that we are doing this as an expanded flat structure. So that this is our wave A. We came down as a wave B in 3, 1, 2, 3, corrective structure, and that we are now preparing to launch for a wave C to the upside, impulsive structure up. And then depending on how high we are going here as a wave C, this can still be like the wave 4, that we are just doing expanded flat as a wave 4, A, B, C, into this area, just taking out the high right here. However, if we do not respect this area any longer, it could be that we are actually working on the wave X as an expanded flat structure. So that's something I want to warn you for. Like, main expectation is to see more downsides, because it simply looks like we have incomplete bearish structures in the lower time frame, also in the definitely in the higher time frame. But we might get some kind of surprise here, as we do not really resuming our way to the downside. Like, we are sitting here, this look 3 waves. Now we would expect, like, after this 1, 2, that we have a third wave down, third wave of a wave 5. This can still be like a 1-2-1-2 setup, like 1-2, and then again 1-2, and that we now see, or that we soon see the drop than tomorrow. But yeah, I just want to share. I just want to share this with you because it's a possibility that we have this trap right here. Like, anyway, main expectation is to see further downside, but yeah, markets are here to trick you, of course, and then this would be the trap. I would say that we just have that they give us the impression that we will see further downside by taking out this low, but that we first have an aggressive move up and then followed by more downside. So this could be an expanded flat structure right here. So I know corrective price action, many interpretations possible. I just share what I see. So expanded flat structure up here, or this is simply a 1-2-1-2 setup, and then we see or drop soon to finish this wave 5 of wave A, and then from here we can see upside again as a wave B. Okay, that's my analysis for now. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.